Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's turn you. This time we talk about Squid Game actor Oh Young-so get 1 year prison sentence in a sexual assault case. Detail inside and trigger warning. This article contains reference to the sexual assault and between 81-year-old actor Oh Young-so was charged with a sexual assault of a fellow female performer of his theatre troupe on the April 3 during the final hearing of the case at the Seoul District Court Criminal Appeal Division 6-1. A verdict of the case was announced, which went against the actor. He was sentenced to jail and received the same punishment as was the appeal by the illegal victim side, as reported by the Korean media. Victory. The actor, however, thought that he did not do anything inappropriate. Oh Young-so, who received worldwide fame through his role as the Ganbo grandpa in Squid Game, was sentenced to 1 year prison by the court after being declared guilty of the charge brought against him. The prosecution stated a veteran actor who has been in the theatre industry for nearly 50 years sexually harassed a powerless junior member of the theatre troupe. They built their case by focusing on the victim's mental health of the accused previous apologized to her and the legal counsel. The victim had been living in fear both at work and in daily life. The prosecution then made the same request of 1 year prison for the actor just like they did during the first trial, and the victim side further said the defendant further hurt the victim by saying, "I did it with the heart of a father." When she demanded an apology, Oh Young-so defense lawyer denied the charges and also addressed the issue and the key issue of the actor apology to the victim. They explained at the time Oh was gaining global attention due to the Squid Game and he was suddenly asked to apologize. He was caught off guard and only responded formally to avoid causing trouble for the production team. They also argued that the victim's statement lacked specified consistency and the logical coherence. The issue stemmed from the junior theatre actress accusing Oh Young-so of forcibly hugging her while they were on a walk and also kissing her in front of his house. Denying the allegation, the veteran actor said, "I am ashamed to be standing in court at his age." I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.